Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin and today we have an unboxing. I bought this some time ago. I really have no idea what is in it. I think it's a strap of some sort. I'm not sure what strap or what watch it goes to, but let's check it out. I don't know what it's for. I need to do a better job of making notes of things. This, yeah, I don't know. No idea. Let's open it up. So Uncle Seiko, maybe it's for Seamaster? Maybe? I don't know. Let's see if I can figure it out. Come on. Well, it kind of sucks. It's not coming out. It's a little embarrassing. Let me pause it and I'll be right back. Alright, got it out of there. I think it was just stuck to plastic or whatever, so yeah, that's not, maybe that is for Seamaster. I don't know. Well, that's kind of embarrassing. This is going to be a bit of a lame unboxing. Maybe it's a lesson in I should take better notes of what I buy. I bought this secondhand, so interesting. You know what? Let me grab the Seamaster. Well, there is the Seamaster, and I'm pretty sure this is the Uncle Seiko Presidential Aftermarket Bracelet for the Seamaster. So, you know what? Let's install it. I'll probably do this off camera. I don't want to risk scratching the Seamaster. So, here's a look at it on the factory bracelet, which I really don't care for. So I guess it's a good thing I did buy that aftermarket bracelet, which I obviously forgot about. So let's get it on that bracelet. So I'll pause the video and I'll install it here, and then I'll be right back. Well, there it is, installed on the Seamaster. It wasn't that difficult. It was actually pretty easy. Just push the spring bar in from each side and then just press the end link down and out, and do the reverse to put this one back in. So very, actually quite easy to install. However, I did run into a problem, and I've never experienced this before. I have the 1.2mm Wera screwdriver, which works for 99% of the watches I've worked on so far, but this tip is actually too wide for these screw heads. So maybe I need like a 1mm wide screwdriver. I'm kind of shocked, actually. So yeah, those, can't believe it. Well, you'll have to take my word for it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it anyway, but these screw heads are too small for that 1.2mm screwdriver. So anyway, let me get this on wrist, and I guess I'll have to buy a new screwdriver from Amazon here. I hope I didn't put it on upside down. But yeah, I think I really like this bracelet more. I like that it tapers from 20 down to, I'm gonna guess 16. One thing I don't like, and I'll zoom in and I'll show you here, is the way that the end links fit. I mean, they fit fine up against the case here, but then I'll show you here, the side profile here, it kind of sticks out a little bit. So right there you can see that end link sticks out of the case. I would like for it to be flush or sub-flush of the case. I don't want it proud of the case like it is right now. Let me know what you think of that. Yeah, it looks kind of like the Rolex presidential style bracelets. I didn't realize there's such a big gap in between here. You can see through the links. So let me put it on wrist again. It's just a friction fit as well, but that works. So anyway, quick look here at this bracelet. Like I said, I'm going to buy a screwdriver and then I'll try it out on here for maybe a week or so. Might totally change my opinion of this watch. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it and it really does help me out. And as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Well, I figured out why my screwdriver wasn't working, and that's because these are split pins. They're not the screw pins. So yeah, another embarrassing moment here, but just figured I would add this on to the end of the video so that you don't make the same mistake that I did. And it should have been really obvious because there's little arrows here on the links. Hopefully you can see that arrow right there. Maybe you can see it better on this side. Right there, got a bunch of little arrows showing you which direction to knock the pins out. So yeah, there's your sign, or my sign. But anyway, let me get this on wrist now that I have it sized. Might be a tad bit tight at the moment, but I can micro adjust it. So there we go. It just feels so much nicer than the factory bracelet. I'll try to leave a link in the description to this. Like I said, I bought it secondhand, but of course you can buy it from Uncle Seiko. Or Uncle, whatever the company is called nowadays. So there we go. Alright, now that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.